Woodworking plans for beginners. Want to build something new? Check out these attractive, useful projects you can build. The best part is that they don't require a complete workshop and years of woodworking experience, just a few common tools and some old-fashioned elbow grease. Many people get too cocky when it comes to DIYs. They take on huge projects too early and they end up failing or hiring a professional to do it instead. Non-reliable sources may be at fault when they provide beginner projects that are actually not beginner-friendly. We don't want to waste your time and money on something like that, so we've done the hard part for you and compiled the best woodworking projects for beginners. But before we proceed, here's a huge collection of woodworking plans if you are on the hunt for a more diverse selection of easy, average, and complex wood projects to challenge your skills. There's something so satisfying about creating something out of nothing. That's why we think woodworking is one of the greatest hobbies out there. You can create your very own functional pieces and add your own flair to it, feeling accomplished and proud every time you lay your eyes on your project. Plus, it's a great way to stay under budget when decorating your home or giving beautiful gifts. In the long run, the price of lumber and tools is far less than the price of buying a piece new that would be simple to build at home. Woodworking can be intimidating, but you don't have to start big with something like an entertainment center. Start small and, once you feel comfortable, work your way up. There are so many great tutorials perfect for beginner woodworkers, and these are some of our favorites. 18 Perfect DIY Woodworking Projects for Beginners. Woodworking is an invaluable skill. It gives you the ability to create furniture and repair wooden objects around the home. However, before you make a complete dining room set or guest house, you should make sure you have a firm grasp of beginner woodworking skills. We've brainstormed a variety of DIY projects for beginners that you can tackle with minimal experience. As long as you have access to a hardware store, sturdy wood, and a toolkit, you're good to go. 1. A coffee table for the woodworking beginner. 2. A sofa sleeve and cup holder. 3. A media console for beginner woodworkers. 4. An address plaque. 5. A cookbook holder. 6. A birdhouse. 7. A tree swing. 8. A wine rack. 9. A welcome mat. 10. A mirror frame. 11. Bookends. 12. A wooden toolbox. 13. An entryway shelf. 14. A plywood candle holder. 15. A storage container for fruits, flowers and vegetables. 16. DIY photo holders. 17. A wall key holder. 18. A bar stool. The bottom line on beginner woodworking projects. These 18 DIY woodworking projects for beginners are just the tip of the iceberg. You can find dozens of other ways for you to test your skills. Once you get the hang of various power tools and skills, you can graduate to more challenging endeavors that may require a nail gun, scroll saw, or circular saw. Most of our beginner woodworker projects are not just decorative. They're practical, too. These items can add value, improving everything from your kitchen organization to your interior decor. Plus, you can showcase the results of your project for years to come. So get yourself a stack of dry lumber, and get to it and create something great. Wooden pallet projects for beginners. With the passage of time, the demand for new and elegant decoration projects has also increased. No doubt, there are countless new wooden furniture and the decorating plans are available in markets. But they are really too much expensive. Use of wood pallet for different DIY ideas is the healthiest way to meet various needs inexpensively. Using the wood pallet for new items is quite simple and easy. Crafting wooden pallet ideas are always beginners-friendly. Pallet projects are durable and always long-lasting. You have freedom to design whatever you like and keep yourself busy in a useful and healthy activity of woodcrafting. So this is a beginners-friendly post especially for the lovers of wood pallet ideas and creations. A wood pallet can be used for different outdoor and indoor furniture plans. This wooden counter is beautifully designed with the recycled pallets. This counter seems best in the juice corner that is definitely increasing the shine of the shop. The mix and match of different pallets look heart-winning. Intensify the beauty of your house walls with this eye-catching pallet shelf. The idea. This pallet craft is possible to use for decor items and also for keeping some useful items out of the reach of children. This adorable pallet project is simple and will be done with few wood pallet stacks. A delightful pallet benches at the rustic pallet table plan is the part of the given below image. This attractive pallet craft is possible to design by taking a little help with the pallet crafting tutorials available on the internet. So be ready to use out this fantastic outdoor furniture with the used pallet.